challenges can feel overwhelming. Our expert factory design and consultant services are specifically tailored to identify inefficiencies and streamline operations. We leverage cutting-edge technology and industry expertise to assess your existing processes, identify bottlenecks, and recommend innovative solutions that drive productivity. Imagine reducing waste and increasing output through customized layouts and state-of-the-art equipment recommendations. Our team collaborates closely with you to understand your unique operational needs, crafting strategies that not only meet but exceed your expectations. Whether you are looking to redesign your workflow, upgrade machinery, or implement lean manufacturing principles, we have the knowledge to help you succeed. Don't let operational inefficiencies hold you back any longer. Partner with us to unlock your factory's full potential and elevate your production quality. To know more details, contact us today to get free consultation or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.